Introducing CRL's new line of hook and loop sanding discs and backing pads. Backing pads available in both 5 and 6-inch sizes. The Velcro-like backing material is made from durable polyester, waterproof material. Rotate backing pad onto Makita GV 5010 sander. Optional tightening with needle nose pliers. Here is a list of 5 and 6-inch disc grits in order of rough to fine. Press sanding disc firmly onto pad. Your sander is now ready to use on the edge of the glass. Backing allows for easy grit changes. The discs are made with a high-quality silicone carbide grain for superior sanding performance. Discs can be used for both dry and wet applications. CRL's new line of hook and loop sanding discs and backing pads.